Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Oh, lucky.
Black one, yeah.
I find gone, man. Yeah. Big one, the one big one was there. Yeah, the middle.
Tell them man, pick off man, what's on that back.
And pick it off already though?
No, I pick it off, that grow man, two more come up on the side, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Blessed love, guys, blessed love. So, you know, today, we're gonna cook for Cranberry. The special oats dumpling, you know. Cooking some oats dumplings today. There's some curry chicken for them. Let them taste the cooking of quinoa. You understand? So welcome, guys, welcome.
I'm not telling my boy to find the man saying, it's 4 years before that come up. I need to cut the man.
One ship.
Watch and kill a beer, kill a blaze.
Where really I go out with? Food I cook or something.
Yeah.
In a kitchen, you know what I mean?
So I come to a small pot, you know? Make everybody taste a little
There's
food.
nothing wrong.
Yeah,
Ah,
food
Rasta.
dumpling. Of course. I'm saying the one cook the cranberry, them can get some food and everybody can big up in general. Big up.
Yeah, I'm a generalist.
You know, catch through the mic.
Even.
Through the mic.
So, go
Pick it
put
up.
the volume where you can work it.
Yeah, let's go.
You can put it at the volume where you can work it, you know.
Alright then. We'll do that then. We'll do that. Now put it here. Who gave me coconut?
My teeth.
Who gave me coconut?
No, I'm
sister.
Hmm? Well, listen to that, Esther. Your mother out there too? So we'll tell them so we are cook food up to the come. So them can get food. Bring up your oats. Say thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, we are looking for Esther. She
Yeah.
didn't come give me.
Yeah,
And
say
so
thank you
I'm
already.
going to for all the fire, you know, Daddy.
You don't left fire, come back to you.
What is it?
Yes, you know.
Ah,
chunks not far over there. Alright guys, so see 30 grand start to prepare the kitchen, you
Yeah, man,
know.
130 grand, man. You see me, I step on the gram, you know? Yeah, man, we're active, man. The whole time, man, I do the work, man. You see me, I say?
Today we're cooking for Cranberry and the family and everyone can get food. Oats dumpling right now, nah?
Things will be. What they
I
are.
come cook and swim, man.
What go on?
Three walks left up. And this is a big
Yeah,
one.
send them go buy it. Yeah. Yeah, aisle. I'll make you go buy aisle up there so up a black.
No, let me buy it because she will take longer.
No, say no, look come on, she.
Yeah, man.
No.
Come back to it.
No, me said
By
nana.
Cram, look
Yeah,
come
we stop
on.
and chat,
No,
chat,
me
chat
I talk
too
to you, look. By Cram, look come on
Buy
there.
what?
The aisle.
Them sell aisle?
Yeah, back
Okay.
in here, yeah?
Alright, because you and Nana say, if we send Cranberry, she's going to take it longer, right?
Yeah, man.
No, Nana. See? She know you. Your sister know you. Guys, the ear when, look, the ear where her sister say, she said, no, send me because if you send Cranberry,
You're going to stay
she's
like
going to stay longer.
Because if we walk and stop and chat with everybody.
What kind of aisle them sell?
You have big aisle.
Retail and a back, which one a back line?
You have big aisle
No,
too.
I'm a back aisle, man. Back aisle.
Back line.
You buy the back aisle.
What lucky me for go?
Yeah. Alright, go and buy it and come back. How much feet?
Me don't know you have to send too much. Ask Buma buy help and so Buma. You have 150 aisle, short back one for them.
Look back.
Buy the back aisle, at least 10 side about this
Take a
side.
big knife for tie back.
You know, put a big knife in there. Cranberry, them go for your knife up your yard. Come.
I'm my father.
You know I'm my father, I know. Me have
So
to tell
that
me
can
again.
work?
Yeah, man, I want to carry them.
Come, we go to them so we're going to cook food.
Daddy. Hey, where buy coconut?
Don't come eat out no more, yeah?
No, me ask you.
Come buy it as far where I come from.
I'm going to buy everything. You buy everything. I will buy it.
Kiss there. Alright guys, so. So now we're going to prepare.
Look at mine.
You sell coconut oil?
Ask him.
Huh? You don't know? Nana, go and buy coconut oil. Not more than big Jim. Follow little man, follow.
Daddy? But don't drink some porridge.
Drink courage?
Yeah.
What kind of courage you drink?
When you're there, works, not works, you have to lie.
Not tell lie, as you.
When you're there, calm you.
Oh, you make it?
Yeah. Like just done. I can read. I'll stick a pick up with it.
So you don't leave any for me. I know I'm coming.
There's somebody with the juice. She tell me I'm going to get and can bring the stick back on it. I eat ball and stick tomorrow. Apple. Mr. Daddy? Go ahead, you see that stick there you use and big
I know, so I go back down there.
Oh, yeah, no.
Because I soon know. I park up in the corner and watch and come back with a stick.
I know.
Yeah.
Tell Blue Jordan. Janisha. Yes, it's tired no.
Charge.
Mom, look here.
Oh, go on. Let's say finish now.
Yeah, in the room, I just the little front piece, and the joining them.
Yeah.
The corner, yeah, with all of this stuff. Just the little piece.
Like if I blow dry.
Right now?
Oh, so it's a front piece there.
Yeah, little front.
Okay.
Then, the corner and the door, yes.
Oh, the edge them.
Yeah, the edge them. The cuttings and the
Cuttings them.
yeah.
And the bathroom.
I don't see him go fix it up on
Yeah.
Bathroom almost finished now.
Yeah.
Sometimes I come back in the say, I don't need this, I don't need to come back in this. That's why she said nothing but paint here.
Yeah. Yeah, man, because Winston linked me now and say, man, he would wait for you. Buy the stuff them for the kitchen.
Okay.
So, you know. Yeah. So, you don't make no sense to buy it yet then?
No, wait till we do what we are doing.
Yeah.
We could do it.
Yeah. Lock it off, Tara. Yeah, you use it. Evening, Ken. Everything good?
Yeah.
Alright then, bro. Time me that's because children not got the space.
Yeah, so what we don't do, we are doing now. Yeah, so by next week we can do that.
Yeah.
Next week we think.
Up and running.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Next week is
So alright then, so guys, let me say, you know, we have Winston. Yeah. Yeah, and the kitchen. And just do a go and everything you want to kind of get them and just put them in, make them look unified, you know. So guys, so you know, Winston, you know, Winston Chronicles that you know, I'm saying I'm gonna get some stuff for the kitchen, like stove, the fridge, the microwave, and also a blender, you know. So daddy say might as well when we finish the kitchen we just put it in one time. And you know, so we just know so from there everything is just set. You know, because the daddy almost finished off with the tiling. So it makes sense because they're not gonna have enough space, you know, to put them in. So we're gonna wait till when they finish out the kitchen, we can get the stuff them and come put them right in, you know, which is the best advice, best way, you know. So Charge, we are going to start cook some food so now I can get some oats dumpling, yeah?
Alright.
Oats? Yeah.
Where you put it? Toko pull it last guy already, I eat.
Toko?
Daddy.
You miss Toko?
No, big glass for there, yeah? No, make them keep it out. Big glass for that, okay? Come, Daddy. See something out of me, I tell you.
Bad feeling, weak, yeah.
Oh, the last go, mother buy me think I'm my one. That's why she had chick, yo.
Yeah. Look, them down there now, so you can fire come all advice. Fire come all advice.
Buy a job.
Nah, Jack, man.
Which one is this, you know?
Which phone that? Phone and I have no name. Let me see this phone here.
No.
A Motorola. You see the M.
Yeah.
A Motorola.
I told you something about me. You say you want to see the sea.
Oh, Motorola that.
You see a picture? If them let it drop, I back up to her or something.
Oh.
You see a bit.
Alright guys, so you know I'm saying Winston Chronicles. You know we're gonna you know, get some things for the kitchen. You know, we give thanks for that. You know, we give thanks. So at the meantime, we're gonna cook some food for them so they can get some of my special oats dumpling. Well specified.
Like telling me how you know that it. The tree works them, no?
Oats.
Yes.
Two of them.
So much of it.
Any amount left.
Who you have them?
I will use them.
Yeah? I'm loving that.
Yes.
Yeah, man, get the dreadnought them up, man. You see me I say? Get the dreadnought them up, man. And get the thing kick off. So we do it in the countryside, you know? So we do it, man. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, it's a Cranberry. How can I phone that Cranberry? See that one dash it?
Maitarola.
How can I phone that? Where that name?
Name Maitarola. A Maitarola name.
Yeah, that's it, name Maitarola.
Maitarola.
Oh, they keep it by a service.
Maitarola.
You put on a Maitarola.
Cranberry was talking about eat Alaska.
I feel I look at that's what she put. Have eyes my one.
Oh.
You never see puppy them in a park home.
Yeah. Alright guys, so you know the thing go. So today is a cooking day, you know, so I'm gonna make them taste my pot. I make them taste my pot and so the food cook, you know. So you have 30 grand, we call him 30 grand. That's Ginger and Brava. You know, I name 30 grand. And we have row chef in the kitchen and go and set up the fire. So light it here.
No man, I want to light and the fish and go and fry.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, next one now, we will do the coconut to the slide now and put it on. Yeah man. Yeah man, so watch out. Just a start, you know. Just come, so just a start. We get everything lined up, you know.
Yeah, from now, quick and fast.
You see? Because you hear them there, you know, go and watch them. You see me, I say? Yeah, straight up.
Oma. Yes, guys, so you see the kitchen here whenever we come here. So,
I want to put down the meat. Most of it can fry them from the fish and so on. Yeah, man. So, we want to get rid of.
So the next one.
We need the flour in the pot there.
Yeah. The coast over too big?
Which one? This?
This.
No man, I can right and put on the big pot on it. You know?
Big pot on it.
Yeah. Alright. So the right one to put on the big pot. This is the right one that you can fry the fish. This is the right one to put on the big pot on it, you see?
Yeah. Wet.
Wet. Oh shit. Yeah, so we have to do it in a pot, something on it, you know. See me so. See me so it goes through. And two cold pan and pop it up, you know.
Yeah.
Not me have to do it.
I'm gonna need the flour from now too. Nah, wait. I'll wash my hand. Father and son. See them on father and son.
General man. Black king.
Yeah.
Black prince. The king and the prince.
Yeah.
And we are reasonable liberty on earth.
Come with us, for the music, make them hear what I go on.
Alright, watch out now people. The youth are conquer system already with education, you know? But listen now.
So he's your first son?
Yes, I. Not in a flesh and blood. But through the liberty out.
Yeah.
Alright, listen now. Them warrior here now, people. Rule up, conquer education already.
Yeah.
But the part of history, black history, and that them have come rule up now.
Yeah.
And that's why it has proven to we now around Africa how we supposed to live and what we have already and what we are chasing now. It's two different things. That's why you have race, you have competition.
Yeah.
But you don't need to chase not when you have it already. You're confused when you have chase what you have already. So I teach my little one now, Prince, from rule. Whether woman, man, boy or girl, don't get confused. You know your individual purpose.
True.
Because if you know history, you know, it's not a mystery nor a story. I remind you that again.
Yeah.
Can't rub out. If you don't see it today, you will see it tomorrow. But it's in your living. It's a journey, a living. Journey, you know.
Yeah.
On your journey. So if you don't see it, and if you're patient too, you have to know the part there too.
Be patient.
Yes or waste. Yeah? So you be patient now. To learn about your tomorrow. You know what the black king say, the black ruler say, Marcus Garvey. So black people, if you don't know where you're coming from, they don't know where you're going. But we are here around here, so Garvey, people know Garvey, if you don't know Garvey history, around here, so in Jamaica, you know, the western part.
Yeah.
And they might tell black people that. And around here, so in there. So it's not our place, this is the western part. You don't want black king rise up around there, our own motherland around there. And we as black people are going to free around there tomorrow. So give thanks, people.
Sure.
And it's a blessing. Yeah, man.
Rohan Boomer.
World without end, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
There's no end.
Reincarnation, man, it name. Yeah? So when I say death, we say reincarnate.
Yeah.
So you have the youth them of tomorrow. We have the youth them of today, them have the youth them of tomorrow. Them have them generational continue, but the youth them at next tomorrow.
Yes.
So it's a generational cycle. It's a cycle like the earth. Yeah? So
there's
I
no
just
end.
leave it to that people. No end in night, man. And when you call yourself, you stop, you can't move again. No, you know. Them feet you don't feel with. Them I'll tire puncher, them no puncher.
Still keep it moving.
The Gideon, I love the Almighty people. Yeah, give thanks again.
Righteousness.
Yeah.
Alright then. Young king.
Yeah.
Young prince.
Yeah.
Thing.
A young prince.
Yeah. Young
Well,
prince.
in the whole power work, you know, people, whole power work him do. So any praise of me I give him deserve it. Any praise. I say, you know, I'm call him, because no man and no my dad, I'm not for the people. But when I look on him, I say I'm a general.
Yeah.
He's not frightening, you know? I look on normal. No, take a look without me. Take a look without me.
Yeah. Nah,
Take a
man.
look without me.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know if I not tell you.
Yeah.
People, you wouldn't know if I not tell you. And it's not nothing for we have a walk, because we not run a race and we not prove no point. I just leave it to tell.
Yes.
Yeah? So you have him generation for continue. You have get him youth because he says a prince.
Yeah.
You have a rule where you have get him youth them, but we have to tell them. Because education ain't going to be man best worker. You can't conquer the system. You have to rule like the black king around Africa. You have to rule anything you do. He's not going to follow. Worse it's not right. Yeah? So when you like me never fully conquer the system with the education part. But you want to see that come do it, a good seed.
Good seed.
Good seed, you water it and nourish it properly.
Yeah.
You manifest it to oneself.
True.
We'll have to see him tomorrow. Glorify him. Yeah, and there's nothing to prove. Can the race now run.
Yeah.
We are one. Equal ones and ones. That's why we say eye and the eye. Yeah? Because we are one. When you look through eye, you see the eye. Yeah, we're not different. That's why the youth say black people. Because the world doesn't say black, you know. So we are who black. The cat black, him a devil. Black heart man, him a devil. And we are black people. We are not devil, we're perfect in the Almighty side, people. Remember the good here? Yeah.
Righteous way.
Love.
Alright then, Boomer. We got jump in the kitchen and make the thing work. You know, go. Yeah, you get two things there.
Yeah.
Go with the thing. Hey. Anyway, Boomer ready for reason, you know. Nothing but righteousness, you know. You know, nothing but righteousness. So the kids in there. Esther go and relax away from her oats dumpling. A little mate. One thing, put that one on top and Tara. How far reach, Chunks? The flour. Yeah, where coconut like this?
No man, I'm pretty tight now.
No, the coconut water like this.
Yeah, coconut water. No, I don't continue.
Right there.
Chunks!
Coconut water there.
I coconut water on this. Hold on. Let me eat this man.
The coconut water
Like
there.
tell him drink it.
You drink it?
You want to drink it, man?
Yeah?
Yeah. You don't drink it. It's exciting that.
How the flour there? The flour there. Two votes. I bet him not bring in that our board. Boom.
King and
Why
man,
you
I'm
always
not
want to
tell
drop my
man.
camera, boom?
No, what?
Boom, I don't like them sign that
Come here and take over the floor and it's active.
flower time. Alright guys, I see the coconut already, yeah? The oats and the flour is here, so This no need juicing. Coffee me. Cranberry, come here. Come here, camera lady. Make sure it's looking at me, okay? So Cranberry is the camera lady.
Yeah, put bare face, let them see her bend down. You see my cook though? You see him? Our father food nice. Anybody who want to taste it can come enjoy them belly. I love Kimo.
You can come enjoy them belly.
Duh.
You know to make the juice coconut cranberry?
Yeah.
Kenny,
The great egg first. That's
them
true.
are the on, Nana.
That's true.
Look. You see them change it are the on.
Alright, come on. Come on, try to something over there. Esther, I tell me I call Esther. Jeez.
Me I call Esther, miss.
No, she and I say Aljaisha. Look here.
You see everything?
Yes, daddy. I show you the something.
So we have to focus on the camera.
Alright, then. Sorry, accident then.
You see everything, miss?
Yes, all the plate you have put up.
Look at me, she see everything?
Yeah.
You see, daddy? You cook coconut juice.
Yeah, cook coconut.
You cook coconut juice?
Yeah.
That no sense. Yes. Nana bigger shot.
I look like you make coconut.
Yes.
What name there? Like something that went name? Like a coconut. Like what name there? Food yeah look boy.
You should say look miss.
Sunday dinner. Rice and pizza. Come out and father picture. Girl, come out and father picture. Little girl, me don't want to say I'm a father.
Yeah, me there on restaurant.
You don't want what?
Restaurant.
A restaurant.
How do?
No, it's a nail shop.
This is how you juice the coconut cranberry.
So that you don't have to tell me that, me don't do that. Yeah.
Me no believe you can.
Ask my mother. I mean great and something for Soviet, yeah?
Are you great, huh?
Yeah, I can grate a coconut right now for you.
Are you juice too? Like this? True.
Look, if me not have a square and me use a shirt, niche, like one white shirt like this, I have a clean, and you put it over the bath and throw it out tonight, and then you hold the shirt and squeeze out the
juice.
yeah, and then you get more coconut blending. Everybody see what my father do? Make a coconut juice though.
Yeah.
He might make coconut juice in data. I say daddy come cook some food man, like at the right day my father come cook when nobody wait for people in the river. If he come Sunday, everybody here go want a pot of food. I like daddy. How God make you come. I like all chef. And all chef I laugh. You okay? And if Kimo put a business, everybody gonna laugh off me. Yeah, Kimo. Kino, you know? Yesterday, when I watch something, the same woman, the woman that where you bring, hear them. I know Kimo pick this, me I tell you. I don't know where Kino get that little girl from. Little girl, me want shut up. You say, I just lock off that, this something where Kimo make. You know? Yeah, woman, yeah, woman. Me need for a day Kino and the Kino go and laugh. I like. Yeah, woman. Our Kino get that little girl from. Me want shit up myself. You know Kino? You don't watch it?
Of course me watch it.
I yesterday the woman, me watch it, and the woman boy. Me want shit up myself through that little girl. Me don't know how Kino get that little girl from.
You say that?
Yeah.
Where?
Find something.
On the video?
Yeah. Some mother no take it on the phone and I have. Have my phone talk up now?
Yeah.
I make Jason I should go pay something and take it. You know something like school somewhere you can do it good. And you hear it Kino lifestyle in Jamaica. When you say that now, you see the little girl, watch the girl and panic. Yeah, them want shit on myself through that little girl. I don't know how Kino get that little girl.
Video. Let me see how your video is. Come and show you the pot. Come look in our worship fish pot. So you're the video lady. We are teaching to the YouTube, okay?
See? Wow! Daddy, my must can't get a big fish right now. I like old chef.
Name?
Old chef.
Old chef?
Yeah, I'm near old chef and so he cook.
Old chef or wow chef? Old chef, you say? What you say, old chef?
Yeah. Look at them pot, everybody. All the crema have current. Look.
Don't turn it, boil it properly.
You see, Father God? I don't want old chef make my fish them burn up in there. Look for the man there. I want to go look for the fish them there, old chef. I don't want the fish burn up in there. And I go fish them.
So you're not getting no food, you know.
I will tell you that. Me just get the whole of the pot out.
You're not getting no food.
Who tell you that?
Watch out the pot for.
Who tell you that?
You
I'm my
want to
pot.
pot.
And you're not get none for the spice.
Tell you. So you just come and watch out the food.
Alright, you're going to say who I go get. Kina, my mother,
Come on,
and Esther. Everybody look for Kina throw the coconut.
She didn't even know what to say.
yeah, see it good?
Yeah.
On the screen?
Cranberry.
Yes, yeah, you have a coconut.
Let's sit on him.
Nana.
Look what they're doing, Kramer. Look what they're doing.
Look where you look.
Come here.
Look what they're doing. So always focus.
Are you eat the pan in the coconut when you squeeze the juice? You see my father do? Or if a juice you go have to there for drink off, watch him. You not get no juice now? Daddy, take it. When that your cousin me kill him,
You need 30 grand.
30 grand, don't give him no hope. Like him dead hungry and ball go home right now. You hear him? You know, see you know we get that here from me now. You made a pin here tell us a dog, yeah.
You don't know what to say.
I juice alone this step and I watch you look juice in your pot. Wow! Kina, look here. Look for the milk. White milk. A fresh more and drink it right now for the drink a pot of milk. You know that?
Yeah?
You know the milk can run a belly, you never know, oh chef?
Oh, chef.
That's something I can't name name.
What that?
Water.
For who?
Give me.
Is it wash? Okay, see there.
Daddy, you're done now.
No, I'm not finished yet.
I look like you're not done. What? I think of fishing meat in that, you know? You know, Daddy?
You think?
Yeah, that's some mother thinks of fish and she said,
Come on.
look man. Nana, excuse me, you're black chemo girl. What? Okra. This Kellyanne. See that? Kellyanne. Okra. And tomato and pepper.
What you say? Oh. Yellow command.
And crayat.
You see this? You eat it with sugar. Nice.
I know that is. You can't give me some, let me eat right now. Let me hear what I say now.
Cook sugar for it, nice.
Dove.
I work up like I'm a keen up like I'm a stage.
Awesome.
Yeah, film cut man.
That you ain't got this?
Yeah.
I'm a move man, you know.
Next player can start catch up anytime now though. Can catch up next player right away now.
You see, I boom me, I call you.
Yeah man, Cranberry, just go and focus on the camera man.
When we're done, me I go
talk
talk.
to Wow Chef then.
Yeah.
If you talk to Wow, you turn the camera while you're talking to him.
You all chef?
Yeah man,
Make sure
yeah
you
man.
see all of Wow Chef.
Make sure you see me good you know.
How will I cook? So much things now cook today, I don't go home and now go on nothing for eat.
Oh, can we almost like the hours, you know?
Tomorrow I cook dinner for eat. So now if you want to bring your Sunday dinner come to me.
You go too far.
Here, we just come here and come eat some Sunday dinner for my birthday and you must cook some food down so. I like it, you know?
You want for your birthday?
Yeah.
How much month you born?
18. The 19.
And a month, yeah?
When? The 18, the 19.
The 18, the 19.
19.
The
Cranberry, when you born?
19.
September?
Near.
Oh,
Near the 19.
May 19.
Can't clean out. Everybody who don't clean their yard, come on my birthday alone. You know the thing. So come back, I put this on my father alone. That is so much already. Everybody better go full today. Watch out. I want pot of milk, listen now.
Yeah, man, pot of milk come.
Now look how much I will. Say Isha and her brother and my sister them.
Enough milk.
Today the milk I go full with belly. You see who eat there for the old chef? My father.
Come here, wash it in the river.
Daddy.
Let's go.
Let go for me. Don't let go for me straight. I can't do that, girl. Hey, me drop my father, Cranberry. What you not gonna say? Run, daddy, run, daddy, run. Daddy bully and I run a bunny, 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 bun, bunny, bun, bun. Are you eat that pan?
Next time I get new camera, lady.
Wow. Yes, you keep my camera nearly drop out of man. You know, look at talk of the day. You know, chef.
Let me see. Oh, go on.
Are you that turn to the sago? You know, see that old chef nearly drop something there, camera for me to go buy it back.
Yeah, don't move. Nice fish. Yeah. This is the fish. Yeah. So guys, so
the turn around and looking like camera man and stop it chatting. Tell the people them thanks to the food.
Me I bet the best here.
guys, so you know Cranberry is my camera lady today. I'm teaching her how to use the camera. So they say you wanna be a YouTuber?
Yes, daddy.
Get your camera now, you know?
Yeah.
I get one every day when we park from. Camera one. If you see if I not, I must
Alright, so guys, so see it now, so right now.
Let's go that door.
Where? You see a flower.
A flower?
Sure.
Flower and oats.
Oh, you clear, let's go, daddy.
Sweet white.
Yeah.
I'm taking a pot and put on a coal.
Daddy, do that already.
Yeah, yeah, cause she watched it on the video and she do it.
Push over this, daddy, man.
I'm taking 2 pieces of coal. No, no, see this coal.
Oh, the island you want. That's how I'm telling you about it. Up and up with it, you never.
You know, up there my bike, miss.
Me, I said that if I want, I better you buy it up. Alright. Pass the camera, daddy. I'll go back my camera. And I get no camera today. See there?
Look at Miss Look at my
Just try to squeeze out the movie again.
Look at my key.
No, no, oh, sorry. Can't hear me. Yes, so Weki Mado, my father, best friend. Daddy, I so much milk I drink. What? Puppy, I go feed the puppy. Wow. I'm put it on my plate. Wow, Daddy. Daddy, you know some can do that? Yeah? Yeah, I can mix flour. Josh, I'm gonna mix flour if I know the water one. No, Jaisha. Let me know the water one. No?
Yes.
I'm a meal it. So I'm going to that. Look for me. So, in my hand. I like all chef.
It's wow, chef.
Daddy, I can't remember. Wow, chef.
Look for my key. Look for my key.
Wow.
Also, look for my key.
Wow, Daddy, yeah. Meal the flour. Yeah. Say you're a big chef, you know. My sister, you're a big chef. Yeah. Wow.
No.
How much flour that? 2 pounds?
No.
How much? I know 2 pounds. You can't treat me.
That's 3 pounds of bread.
Okay, daddy. And if I eat there, you every day, I'm cook for my father. I said, daddy, all that pot of food, I eat it. Yeah, kid. And my daughter cook this, and I'm my daughter.
Look, sit down, so.
It's called oats dumpling with coconut milk.
Esther. Phone on sir. My phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take it off.
If I'm left Shenko.
See there, brother. I'll take it off.
Oh, from again today. Yeah, okay. Very come Shenko. Right now, look right now. Yeah.
Yeah. But I like daddy, my heart like fire. Excuse me, I'm sitting there, so I make my video. I can't stand up long like my father. I don't know how daddy stand up here.
Cranberry.
Well,
Yes.
2, 4, and 1 where Esther have. Esther have one blue one.
Oh, there you go.
You finish, Kino?
Yeah. Finish. Come show them. Take your time.
Wow! Daddy, I can't take out the whole of the dumpling, daddy. Should take a video of it first. But look at see a flour we make. Wow, daddy, I can't take out the whole of the pot of it.
Take your time with the camera. You must take your time with the camera.
Yes,
Relax.
Kino.
Relax. Yeah, move it too fast.
Everybody there from the real fast and Kumani, huh? Everybody there? The team are there?
You see, if I got edit on the camera now, hold the camera straight. Hold it straight.
Yeah, that near there you are. So now.
Yeah, you must hold it straight.
Oh, chef. Looking at the camera, like you're not saying nothing, man, like you're afraid. Move that now.
Cranberry means that.
So they are going to be up on the river. You see me,
How
I
will
say,
I take a boomer?
Nana, I'm up on the river. See me, I say, Nana,
Ah.
I'm going to get the season them cut up.
Alright, when you're done, you can't talk, man.
No, I can't, no.
Ah.
So I get the season them cut up.
Yeah.
And then I just go take a swim.
Okay.
And things. So, you see me, I say, so I just watch where I go and sit there, look where I go, Nana, sit there and look, Nana.
What? I never see this when I take it out. I want to take it out. That's how I go. Don't talk over the cover it back, oh shit.
You see that, Nana?
Yeah. Just cover it, man. Can't throw a bee fly arbor meat. A 2 oaks, something like you want. Kino. And I say when the next time left, you give me. Yeah. So 2 box. Him have a big one up there for me and big last cup.
Yeah, Nana. See this?
Pepper, hot pepper.
For the pepper?
And a sweet pepper.
Yeah, 1 pepper. No, 2 pepper.
No, put 2. No.
2 hot pepper?
Yeah, please.
No, please.
2 hot pepper.
2 hot pepper. No. 2 hot
Where's that?
No.
When me say no, listen, no, put 2.
Man, take it up, man. Take it up.
Oh, but take the phone.
Nana. So, put 1. Let a bun so can be smooth.
Daddy, I asked you them to put over here something for you. Yeah, Daddy?
Alright, guys, so Nana turn video lady over there.
Yeah, man, Nana do her thing.
So Nana do her video, so big up to Nana.
Big up Nana.
Big up Nana TV.
Yeah, see the Nana.
So we have Nana TV over here.
Nana TV.
Nana TV. So we have cut on the season and the fish. Or the fish are drop off. Oh, you know, missing now.
Daddy,
Huh?
you love girl? After fish stir fry,
The fish are missing now while I'm in action.
Okay. You can eat here guys, and you're gonna get the whole lot of fish in here, so don't let me see it.
Okay, yeah.
Nana get none.
Wash it. You don't want some of the coconut, put some of the coconut milk in this?
Oh, yeah. That's a look at
In the fish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Look on them cut with them.
That's the egg sugar.
Look on them cut there.
And put it on the fish.
Right thing that, you know.
Just a leak?
No. Look come on right there. No, right thing, you just get. Let me go find the fish and just show look at the curry in the pot there, so. And just show this pan it.
Yeah, sure. Cook down the fish with some coconut milk. You know what I mean, boom?
What?
I blessed one love.
Yeah. No, that can't cook it now.
But alright. Hello, Nana. Video lady. So, that's that. Yeah, man, I want enough gravy.
Yeah, man.
Enough gravy. Yeah,
No, man, I put cold night, man. I'm not frying the fish, I don't want it, you know. I'm going to simmer.
the fire that kick it, whoa.
This.
Alright,
You
so,
don't move, you splash and put it down there. If you want some breeze on it, you just put natural breeze up, say, no. Watch your face. Watch your face.
Daddy boom beat me.
can't forget beef in the road.
Him say bomb
If the road, if you get beaten.
if you want me look at the 500 crown look for daddy, I come to the life.
What's this for you?
What?
I want to
Yeah.
I'm more than I bought.
Yeah, because we're going to use it. We're going to use it for season the pot and for season the dumpling. The dumpling I get seasoned too. You see me, Nana? So all of these are going to use. Probably need more. Where's the skeleton time? What, you know? Oh.
Yeah, scale at the time, not going to, yeah.
Look here.
No, look, pound.
Mama.
Oh, chef.
Damn it, they made the gravy.
So Nana turn bigger person here now, guys. Yeah, YouTuber. You're vlogging? She's vlogging. Alright guys, so as I say, we are waiting on the coconut now. We go and boil up so I can season the pot. The dumpling already naked. The dumpling need already. See it there? That's ready. We start to drop in. You know. Watch if I go and fry the fish. This now we throw some coconut milk and the seasoning to cook up the fish.
Yeah.
So, oh, oh, happy day. So this is the river, everyone enjoying themselves. Ladies over there swimming, everyone chilling. The view is nice.
If I take one, I'm slipper.
So you're not going to follow it? You're not going far?
I'm follow it down way down and now you can't see.
You follow it?
Yeah, we're going to give truck so you don't see me. I don't find the woods we go.
Which part wash you from? Yeah, so that means you're not going far because remember that's so shallow.
Around them there be look how I look for it. Around them there.
Around there, right on the other side there. It's easy to find because I like to the river heavy.
I soon come back.
Where you go?
My mother come back.
Oh.
Yeah, come back down now.
We're not going far, man. But when you go around there, so the river slim and stone around there. So most of the summer off right there. So we're not going far. Brownie not go and wait for hers. Yo, these coal look lazy. Yeah, video. So that's the coconut milk.
Milk, you know, want to put it in.
Boom!
See, you can cook it in.
Boom! So the coconut milk in the curry. Boom!
Look a bit more sauce.
Good, you know. Coconut milk. But we got to bigger man. No, because you want to. I never know big things to where I come do. I never was a big cooking.
You just come say,
yeah.
all I eat, because we know the rest of the people out there now cook nothing but me I can deal with now. May I bring some food up there and we just go eat.
That's true. Yesterday, I Cranberry said, I come cook something for them. Isn't it? Yeah. Come give them some things, some salad. I come cook for them today.
Okay, my brother. I'm see you for it.
So, Boomer.
So, I'm going to get bellies and go like now, pre-clean over food. You know?
Boomer, yeah.
I'm going like more pre-clean over food.
Yeah. Alright, guys. So we're going to drop the fish in that, and that bubble up. So right now we are going away upon. So you know what? Looks like it's going to start bubble up anytime soon. So I'm going to prepare the seasoning for it.
I'm just putting some of the fire over this and just transfer that over this side. So I'm going to bottom of the wet, you know.
Yeah. And the breeze now going over there. Alright guys, so look what I go on. So this is the curry fish. It's curry fish. Oh chef, look like you can't take off, you know, because I don't want to dry out too much. Yeah. You can take off. Can't take off, man, because the water got dry. The heat will do the rest. The heat will do the rest. Right guys, so here The pot seasoned up, seasoned to the bone. What that? Wow! The chicken a fly out of the water. Guys, the chicken is flying out the water over there. The wow chef over there. Yeah. Oh chef and Nana over there. And we see the coconut pot here, so just season it. Just season the pot. So I'm gonna make this go on simmer down a bit. You know, simmer down a bit. Because the cola moves lazy, you know, because in there so wet. Rain fall and wet it up, man. Inside of here. Yeah, in here the wet. Red hot. Whoa. So guys, I use a coconut dumpling. Bubbling, 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 looking rich. The boomer is looking well rich. Rich in
I saw them that. And I call them.
Let's see what I see. So guys, so all the flour is in. Yeah, so we just go and wait for it to simmer down. Don't watch your size, watch your smiles.
Yeah. Put some of them want to feel to the baby. Some know. That we share, because you can share.
That we share. Yeah, always have to make it work. Always, that's what we do, we make it work.
Look at video. The button. Yeah,
make it work. See the oats dumpling, coconut milk. Just look at this juice. Sweet, sweet. Yeah.
I walk with the pot then.
Yeah, man, we are war chef in the kitchen, and everybody play a part. Everybody put a love in it.
Yeah,
the curry chicken.
Piece right now.
After the curry chicken over here.
You see there?
You know.
A key of beers in the scene there.
Yeah, over here we have the.
And you see in the kitchen, a film production. Anything when you go in the kitchen when you see film production.
And alright, that's it there. And we have the coconut curry fish right there.
But people,
coconut curry
don't
fish.
wrong me for the language, because the language are wrong. It's a whole language. Alright, see there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's a blessing.
Yes, sir. Coconut.
You give them the chicken and the fish.
Yeah. Over here we have the oats dumpling in coconut milk. So oats dumpling cooked down in coconut milk.
Yeah, because enough to buy the general put me in enough.
Yeah.
But now I go wrong with teamwork either.
And that's the thing there.
My people, man, I'm saying it wasn't big, you know. I never got it planned enough. Just come to take care of them little kids as usual.
Yeah.
I like vibration there, but you know, say Rastafari, you see when it come to my food, them, yeah. And the youth, I love my food, and cause see all the flour, them, oats, and a coconut milk, people.
Yeah. Oats in a coconut milk.
No joke.
No joke.
I'll call the man, pull it, watch it. All the milk season, so you know the thing go.
Yes, sir.
I realize something, man.
You see the richness already, man.
Rastafari live in this, you know.
Yes, sir.
So you're not going to dash away, no gravy not there.
No.
Another pot there, gravy there, another one there.
So this is what we drink.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
This is the sip.
That's the sip. See how I use the word there?
Is the sip right here.
You don't want to give everything in a pot, in a film pot, in
our pot.
So you cook. So you cook people, now watch the locks and say now it's inside of him.
Yeah.
You know the real thing.
That's where it is.
The real thing inside of him.
Yeah.
So when I say, yo, I come a boomer come cook a pot, this is how I'm cooking pot a boomer. If he is a dead pot that I didn't carry, yeah? Both a dead pot. But look at the pot here now. You never want none of them pot here to consume what you know this, you know. Coconut milk this.
Yeah.
This come like the sip itself.
And the sip that.
Yeah, man.
And sit there.
Yeah.
The fish again. Coconut. Curry, you know.
That's why you say money is no power, you know. The money is no power car and the money you use and do this, you know.
I love.
It's naturality and love. It's within teamwork. Yeah, man, you can't hold for nothing and hold for nothing, you know.
Yeah.
It's
simple.
Camp you. Two people, you know.
Yeah, man.
And them are supporting the team as you.
Every time, man, you know.
Yeah. They fall a boom there. Look at the river now. When they come in, they look, they look more. They can't carry that tempo. Yeah, maybe in the jungle and camping jungle. How that's the one, man. The whole earth are so nothing, you know, because history is something. So we know we don't live off. When Babylon say go left, we go right. When they say do the wrong, we do the right. Anything them say, we go against it. So everything we are doing in a place, it is right.
It is right.
Do it.
Yes.
Yeah, everything we are doing. See where
we go forward.
But a small so. They say watch an Rasta, we come to take care of the kids them.
Yeah.
You see how
and look how we're gonna make it work same way.
Make it work.
I could have even 100 people there, sir.
I could have even 100.
Everyone I get something. Yeah, everyone I get something.
Welcome from the first year to this
year. Guys. So anyway, thing going on stuff. So you see the next thing we're gonna say went on the pot land and everything and share. You know, so that's the next thing now. So we are waiting for everything go and simmer down and like that. Share. Guys, and then I get hairstyle.
Wash and blow.
But your hairstyle, a long time I see a kid now, you only reach 3.
And you post it again. And you want blow dry.
A long time seeing her head, you know.
And a long time, you pull out where it is there. That you want blow up, man.
You start one, you have to go start all, you know.
No.
You start one, you have to go start all.
You want blow it, you know.
Sure, Nana.
Can I drink up in a time?
And then I get her ear spoiled. Alright guys, so see there. Sharing is where everything is caring. You know? Chunks are going drinking pot water.
Yeah man, you there?
The man boom drinking his pot water.
Coconut water. Coconut water, brother.
Where you call it?
Coconut. What do you call it?
Give it a name.
Strong back.
Strong back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you...
Yeah, man. Coconut milk, strong back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Well cooked down.
So you drink, so the man said no.
Oats and coconut milk this in there. Strong back, this is the breed that is in there.
Yeah, baby, I go bad. Where you say? Boomer, where you say? A baby, I go them say I go bad?
I chest it. Yeah,
I chest?
Yeah. Clean. With the grab on the weed and something. Clean.
Clean it off. Right.
Milk, you know. And the milk work for man.
Yeah.
Everyone can talk, voice their own opinion about it. Like have holes of purpose. And one purpose, whole heap. And a different individual can talk their own definition about it. That's how powerful it is.
Alright then.
It's not like a one definition to it. Whole heap.
It's a lot. It's a lot. Where the fish there? Oh, the fish are around there, so.
You call that pepper. Flash that pepper. I look at it there.
Come, take up one. Take up one little miss from Cranberry. Come take up one.
Thanks, Daddy.
Who else? Where them there? Call the rest of them.
Toko.
Where them there?
Toko them gone up with them father.
Call look man them.
Look man! Look at me skate already.
Oh, and look man.
Kenisha.
So they feed them one here.
Give me my mother one. Cool. They say we are eat. I see no look about this. So all the way. I'll pick the weather over right now. I can wait for food to eat. And the dumpling nice. See that shit. And the dumpling nice. What you say?
Nice.
It nice like chicken. You feel like a joke, Kong, Daddy. We want to meet them curry chicken and dumpling.
Esther. What should I get Esther? Hey, father, put the pan on this place down. So too much dumpling? Yeah.
Everybody get? Okay?
Righteousness. Yeah. Look, man, take up one right there. Hold it. So this is your mommy and daddy. Should I? You have plug your own and come back then?
No, just come here, man.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Kencha then?
Right, long way.
Oh, go on, girl.
You have to wait till where we are going to do charge one.
Go on, this is a charge one. I go and give your mother that one and come back. Yeah? I'm done? If you're not sick.
I'm done. Voilà. Oh, yeah. I clean clean the wash up.
Toko, where's Toko? And where's Toko and Tara? Cranberry. Cranberry. Where's Toko and Tara? So this is for the rest of them. Boom, I told you we're going to make it work.
Yeah.
And it worked. It did work.
Yeah.
Everyone gets something. It's work.
Even though I wasn't expecting anything.
Really?
No, because I say I come cook for them. I don't want to shot them thing, you know?
I cook for everyone, so we can't cook for all. We'll come here. What chunks? Well, chunks done already. Chunks, what go on?
I can two more dumplings with a heat that I chose. I just I eat them the from morning. So you see me the first one done it. You see me the first one done it.
That realize.
You take Kino, man. I eat that go together and I put them food there. I have big pot of dumplings.
Yeah.
You got one dumpling.
Yeah. Sorry, I never take it from
Toko.
You don't give me that. I don't know that shit.
I like the one part. You come here for come here food.
Oh yeah. Mama Toko.
Live in Africa, yo. Yeah, man. Live in Africa.
Charge, come in there. Hold it.
Only good talk or African talk.
I can't want garbage box.
Yeah. So guys, we make everybody get something. You see it?
Plate in the river.
No plate in the river. Dumpling nice though. Dumpling nice. Toko here, come join the park. Let me hold it for you. Go on over there, run go on. Run go on. You like it? There's a Kenny shot go on.
Yeah, I'll meet that.
Oh, tell you no. See it there. See it there. dumpling here, man. You tell her you're gonna like it, Nana. Yeah, but she never want a dumpling. You come on, you like it? The one with the fishing night after charging. Make some with a Tara.
Tara. Jamaica. Tara.
That's Tara one then.
Yeah, come here, so she come on, you must put something away on the knife and that. Hold on, Della. Oh, see now, if I this killing one, I cut the dumpling.
Yeah.
Never get something I'm going to score.
I go join them by the river. I like the vibes, they're sitting by the river eating.
Go on video on it. Go on video on it.
Yeah. By the river eating.
You see them on the boss, man, I go enjoy food.
No boss.
Alright, yeah, Keen I go enjoy food you know. The school I'm from, man. It's nothing, man. Yeah, man, right, man. One Kino life in Jamaica, man. Yeah, man, see that? Him and them kids them now. Yeah, man, Kino and them kids them that I know, you know. Yeah, man, everybody have full joy themselves, you know. Yeah, man, this is it, man. Gathering and the love we are talking about, man. You see me, I said? Yeah, man. All the local youths them, you know. Yeah, man, everybody, all the dog I enjoy it, you know. Yeah, man. Let's start the book today. Yeah, man. One dream team, you know. And now we have to dig up all of the donors them, all of the people them. Yeah, man, we support Kino. Yeah, man, we have to dig up every time, man. You see me, I say, because without Uno, yeah, man, it can't work. Yeah, man, so we have to dig up and love Uno every time, man. Yeah, man. And just keep on supporting Kino, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, because the youth here, God bless you, brother. Tell you. Look at the dinner, you know.
That is it in our tongue? Oh, I have a drink. Okay, so now we're going to finish eat. Esther done already. Esther get 4 dumplings and she done before 6 and she done before everyone. Alright, I want the sweetheart. Guys, it's the coconut milk I'm drinking. Like, it's best to make everything's a combination. That's nice. Now, like, really nice. Oats dumpling. But trust me, guys. So blessed love. Finish up before I bite my tongue. You understand? Blessed love, guys.
You are right now.
Leave her now. What you do? Are you going to wash it out, so don't worry. One more? Nice.
them super. I will let them put down. They don't see me. I hear them. Are you know this?
Sarah. Sarah.
Someday, brother doesn't know. Come on.
Oh.
Green.
Which one?
That one there is something like that.
Yeah. You have other brother too?
Yeah, big brother. That's a brother.
Yeah.
That's a brother.
So what's your brother?
Yeah.
How much bar?
Open it up. But I'm not really fair. So that one here. That is. That is. But the move.
Nice. Yeah. Let's stop happening. The rubbish bag up here soon. Who gets her?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better